Have you ever looked down and just wondered, why is belly fat so hard to get rid of? Hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to understanding how to prevent belly fat buildup, as well as understanding methods in which you can more effectively get rid of it. I want to first start off by saying that fats play an essential role in healthy body function. Fats will play an integral role in hormonal regulation. They are the most energy-dense macronutrient. They help utilize fat-soluble vitamins in the body, and they form a nice little cushion around your organs as well. Now there are 6 main reasons which can cause fats to be poorly regulated within the body. These will include age, lack of exercise, poor diet, poor sleep, stress, and genetics. And yes, in my opinion, I have put these in order of importance. As we age, we will naturally go through some physiological changes, which will aid in the accumulation of fat in the body. For men and women alike, muscle mass is one of the most important facets when considering fat loss. And as we age, we'll gradually continue to lose our muscle mass. In men, as we age, lower testosterone levels can often be correlated to excess fat storage. Women tend to carry most of their fat around their thighs, butt, and chest. However, after menopause, many women will start noticing a shift of their fat more towards the abdominal region. Poor exercise habits can be just as destructive to the body as age can be. And as mentioned earlier, muscle mass is a key player in fat metabolism. So a good mix of cardio and weight training is essential for fat management. And no, fat targeting or spot training is not a thing. Diet is just as important as exercise. Too many refined sugars and carbs, unhealthy fats, and many other factors play a role in fat accumulation. Something simple, like switching from white bread to whole grains, can make a world of a difference. Also, try to increase your good fat intake. These fats include nuts, avocados, coconut oil. Trans fats and saturated fats should be avoided. In the body, excess carbs can be stored as fat, so try to increase your insoluble carbohydrate intake, such as vegetables. This is known as fiber, and can be counted as negative calories, as they burn more energy going through your body than can be absorbed. Interestingly enough, artificial sweeteners have been known to trick the body into thinking that sugar is coming and spike insulin levels. It is very important to understand and track the food that you're eating. At the end of the week, it can be shocking to see what you're actually putting inside your body. Fat loves stress. When a stressor is introduced, the body will do its very best to try and resist fat loss. Epinephrine, norepinephrine, and cortisol are key hormones affected by stress. And with chronic stress, it is not uncommon for these hormones to become irregular. Poor sleep quality or lack of sleep can throw the body into chaos. It can cause an increase in appetite and hunger, as the body perceives fatigue as its lack of energy supply. It can also increase the secretion of a hormone called ghrelin. This hormone makes high-calorie foods more desirable. Other irregularities with hormones, such as leptin, can hinder the body's response to quit eating. So besides proper diet, exercise, getting better sleep, and finding less stress in your life, what are some other options that you can find to help get rid of body fat? Fat-burning supplements, which contain the ingredients caffeine, cayenne pepper, and green tea extract, can help the body burn fat more readily through fat oxidation and increased metabolic activity. Then there are appetite suppressants, which contain the ingredients hoodia and yerba mate. Weight and or fat loss is not some unknown ancient secret. It just takes a lot of hard work. Remember to click subscribe to stay up to date on my reviews and research to help you reach your goals.